Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my social media planner, which is the Encourager layout. I did make some changes to my setup. I don't know if you've seen that video yet. I'll try to link it up here for you, where I just went back to Franken planning. So I have multiple tabs here in my planner. This is my current week. I did not have a video on this one. So today we are actually, I haven't even done my monthly yet, but we're planning the first week of May. So we have May 4th through the 10th. And I'm going to be using the Pastels Mega Sticker Book for this spread. So I did pre-choose my stickers, but this is the sticker book I'm going to be using. You can get this on the Happy Planner website. I think it's on sale for $19.99 right now. And you can also get that at Michael's if they're still selling them. I think I actually bought mine. I think I've got two of them. I bought one at Michael's and I think I got one on the Happy Planner website. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is cover up this side. Excuse me. I usually cover up the random acts of kindness, but I think I'm going to use a long sticker and try my best to cover up most of this side here. I don't want to cover up this one checkbox at a time, so we're going to start just below it. Try to line this up kind of straight here, and I may have to do a little bit of sticker surgery. Yeah, it overlaps on the bottom here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. Let's cut this off and see if maybe I can lay it on top. This may like totally ruin my plans for this sticker. Let's see. Maybe it won't make too big of a difference. I was thinking maybe it would mess up the way that this flower looks, but maybe not. Maybe not enough that you would really notice it. So yeah, that's okay. So I just had to cut off the bottom here and just lay it over top of that sticker to cover up where I cut it off. Now I can see my random acts of kindness like shadowing behind here, but I think I'm just gonna like leave it alone because that's a lot to white out there. The next thing I want to do, I don't want to show you guys my wax paper, because it's got my stickers laid out the way that I planned it, and I don't like ruining your surprise. So what I'm trying to do here is use all of these like pastel rainbow colors. So I'm going to put these little washi strips. I call them washi strips. It's stickers. They come in this mega sticker book. But I'm just going to line that one down there. And I think I want to put the longer one somewhere different on this side. I think I'm going to put it up here on this side. Let's see. Yeah. Just to see what it looks like. I may end up moving it. Who knows? So this is my actual first full week back on YouTube, and I'm excited to be back with you guys. Thank you guys so much for all of you who commented on my videos from last week, welcoming me back. I did enjoy my little social media break, but it does feel great to be back. And to be quite honest, I'm pretty bored these days. So bored that yesterday I actually sat on my hands and knees and scrubbed my kitchen floor with a scrub brush. So yeah, there's that. Have y'all been like super bored? I know a lot of you guys are still working, which is a blessing actually, that you guys are still able to work. So y'all let me know in the comments. Give me some cleaning ideas, some things that I can clean besides toilets. I get tired of cleaning toilets every day. Like, I know they need to be done because I live in a house full of boys, but it's just crazy. It gets so old. The same routine cleaning every single day. So I want to put my Happy Plans sticker right, like center it through here, but I'm gonna need to use my jelly roll. This is a jelly roll 10, And I'm going to just kind of get rid of some of these black lines because I don't want them showing through my sticker. So I'm going to just try to eyeball this and take out the majority of the center of my sticker. And because I use this planner for social media, I don't really write a whole lot in it, so I have more room to decorate. And whoa, I did not do a good job eyeballing that. I took out way more of that line than I did the other ones. So we'll try to even that up just a tad. Okay, let's see if I did a good job. Yep, pretty good. Okay, so we're just gonna give that a second to dry. So let's see what I wanna do on this side. I think I'm just gonna lay down some boxes. So like I said, I'm trying to pull in all of my pastel rainbow colors here. So I think I'm just gonna put this one on Tuesday. And oops, it didn't stick. So this box is actually wider than the box that's here in the planner. So I'm just trying to center it so that the overlap is kind of even. I think it's crooked. Let me try to straighten this up just a little bit. Okay, and you could get like a, let me show you these little circles, like this one says to do today. You could pull some and cover this up if you don't like, this one says work hard and be kind. But I'm not gonna cover this one up. I'm just gonna leave it like it is. But now I am going to cover up this purple one because it says the same exact thing. I think I'm gonna put this one down here. And once again, it is actually wider than the vertical box, but we're gonna make it work, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, because if I take this to do today sticker and put it in the center, it's not gonna cover up the work hard and be kind. And I don't want these two stickers to be the exact same kind of quote. So in the same sticker book, I found these smaller circles with lines. So I'm just going to kind of center it and cover up the work hard and be kind. And I'm just, like I said, pulling in all of these same colors so that all my stickers, even though they're not exact matches, I'm pulling in all of the colors to kind of match this sidebar over here. And then I'm gonna try to center my To Do Today sticker. I think I'm gonna take some of these lines out here. And I'm just playing, I'm kind of bored, so these videos are going to be a little bit longer than normal, but I just have extra time and I feel like playing around, so trying new things here. All right, so let's center that one there. It looks kind of funky, but it's cute. So I just used 3 stickers there, and if you're like me, you have plenty of stickers, so you're not really worried about wasting stickers. All right, now let's see if I can put my happy plans down on this side where I took my lines out. Maybe right about here. Let's see how that looks. I need to come up some. All right. Is that pretty centered? Yes. I love these colors. These pretty pastel rainbow colors just make me happy. All right, now I'm going to pull and do the same thing that I did on this side. So if you watched any of my other videos, you know I like for my pages to not be identical, but I do like for them to be similar. So we're going to take this pink box and put it over here just like I did my purple on the other side. Oh. That's the beauty of the wax paper. It takes some of the sticky off, so when I sit them down, if I don't push on them, they're not gonna stick. All right, I cannot get this one lined up. I think the sticker might be crooked. Nope, it was me. Okay. Now let's go ahead and lay the purple on top, like I did the other one. And I'm just rotating my colors. If you've noticed, on this side, I used the orange and the purple on top. So I'm going to use the pinkish orange and then the purple circle. So I'm just kind of rotating, flip-flopping, if you can see that. But I do need to white out some of these lines here. We'll see how this turns out. And then of course you guys know I'm going to come in with some flowers and just kind of randomly place some flowers along this spread just to make it a little bit more happy. Okay. This one says so much to do. Try to center that one there. Okay. So that's pretty cohesive. And then I'm going to take this sticker. That's the same as this one up here. And I'm going to just put it down here at the bottom. So down here in the bottom is where I write my YouTube and Instagram statistics. Here in the focus box is where I write my revenue, and then all of the other space is just used for to-do lists. I usually don't use my sidebar, and I probably won't even use this, but I'm just using it for decoration basically. So I think this is cute. Now I just need to go in and fill in with some flowers, and the spread will be finished. So let's see. Our flower options in this sticker book are on the left-hand side. And we have quite a few. So let's start on this page. I don't want to like fill it up with flowers. I just want to do a couple flowers here and there. See what my options are here. I think I'm just going to, I like that orange color. Let me look at the small ones. I think there's small flowers here too. Oh, this is cute. This has like all of my colors in it. I was thinking about just kind of maybe coming up under that sticker, or would this be cute? Where can I put this? I'm thinking I'm just going to cut the edge off of this and just lay it along the edge of this purple sticker. And I think it'll be cute there. So let's try it. Yep, I think that's cute. And I don't think I'm going to put any more flowers on this side. So like I said, I'm not going to really overdo it with flowers. And I actually think this might be cute with some flowers around it. So let's try. Maybe something like this. Yes, I think so. So I'm going to pull up the edge of this Happy Plans and try to put this floral like right here. I'm not going to white out any lines. I want to see. Oh yeah, I think that's really cute. Maybe I should trim around. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to trim this flower to make it look like it's inside of this box. So try to do the best I can. Sometimes, well, not sometimes. Most of the time I'm not very good at cutting straight. Yeah, I just went out of the line. But we'll see how it looks. Okay. Let's peel this up. I think this will look cute inside of this box like this. And then I'm probably gonna, no, I'm not going to. I was gonna say I'll probably come down here and put one, but since I've got this washi strip, I don't think a flower would look good on that. So we're not gonna do that. We'll just leave this one up in the corner. And then maybe put one more right here. So let's see what I can find. I think I don't want to use the same sticker that I used here. So I got to find something else to use. What can I use? I really like these stickers here, but I think they're just too big. Let's go back to my small ones. Maybe I will. No, I won't. I don't know. I'm so undecided right now, y'all. Let me just grab the same sticker that I just used. I don't like things being identical. So that, I don't like that at all. Put that back. Maybe we'll just use something like this, a small one like right here. Yep, because I'm not going to overdo it. So I'm just going to cut the edge off on this one so that I can just line it up right beside my box here. And it kind of goes over my purple there, but I think I'm going to leave that. I'm just going to white out this purple line underneath it. And this will be finished. Ta-da! Okay. Let's put this back in my planner and see what it looks like. I love, love, love these colors. I'm telling y'all, these pretty pastel colors are just all about spring, and they just make me happy. So let's see what it looks like in the planner. All right, tell me what you think. If you really like this, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed my video. And this is it. So I'm just gonna finish this up here. And if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell on the side there so that you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.